guys, I'm here today with another project from my 2024 GMC Sierra AT4. We're going to be replacing these badges today. The factory badges are normally chrome from the factory. You can see I went in with plastic dip. It's probably been a year or so, and tried to black these out, peel out the insides. It's not holding up great. So partnered up with Iconic Badges and custom made these carbon fiber and matte black to replace these. It's a very simple replacement. We're going to heat this up, peel it off, and we'll go from there. And so Iconic Badges is an aftermarket vehicle accessory brand dedicated to creating innovative and affordable products. All of their products are made in North America from special industrial grade plastic that's weather resistant and UV proof, meaning their products won't fade in the sun. Their mounting options include a very high bond automotive tape. So like I said, it's a very simple process to remove these old ones and install the new ones. And they ship fast. Once we partnered up, I had these within a few days, and it's completely customizable with custom text and colors. So basically whatever you want to say, the sky's the limit on these. It should take us about, 10 minutes or less to install these. And they also offer free shipping for orders over $40. So if you order from them, I'll include the link in the video and in my description. If you use code FIXITMAN20, you'll receive 20% off your next order. You can see this is a very easy removal. I just took a small flat blade, pried behind that corner, and you can see the factory VHB tape comes off very easy. And so it's no residue back here. I'll clean it with some alcohol when we get done. I'll probably grab a heat gun and heat this outside and make it a little bit easier to get off. So that was a very easy removal of the factory badges. Left very little tape behind. I'll go in and clean this up with a little bit of alcohol. And then the Iconic badges are just a simple peel and stick 3M adhesive, and we'll get those installed. Like I said, this is probably a less than 10-minute job. So very easy, and an easy way to customize the look of your truck. All right, that's all it is to it. I mean, it's very easy. Peel the old ones off, stick the new ones in. Really changes the look of the truck. I really like the way this looks compared to the factory badges. And like I said, if you go to iconicbadges.com and use code FIXITMAN20, you'll get 20% off your order. Thanks for tuning in.